Hey everyone, last video of 2020 that I'm gonna post. Um, Real quick reminder, please make sure that you get your works vocabulary works cited done. That was posted on December 7th. It's due today at midnight. And I know some of y'all may be thinking, I thought we was on break. You are on break right now, which is why I posted this back on December 7th. I sent y'all a video about it and everything, so make sure you get that done before midnight tonight. And then also let me go down, your IXL active voice, active and passive voice, and then rewriting the sentence in active voice. Those two lessons are also due at midnight tonight. That was posted on December 6th. So you've had tons of time to get that done. Because look down here. Well, y'all can't see it on my screen. It's December 20th right now, so you've had plenty of time to get that done. I've graded every single one of the Christmas cases that were turned into me. All but two that I know of right now are posted in Power School because Power School is down this weekend. Of course. Do me a favor, make sure you check Power School. Make sure you check Power School because grades are due on January 4th. So if you're missing something, you've got plenty of time between now and January 4th to make it up. Send me an email if you're missing something. Parents, if you don't know if your kid is missing something, send me an email. I will gladly respond to you with a screenshot of their grades in my class. If for some reason you don't have Power School, do not wait and be surprised. Send me an email. Send me an email. Send me an email. I know I sound ridiculous changing that, but send me an email, y'all. Make sure they got everything updated. The only three grades I have left to get in there are IXL, vocabulary, and then excuse me, I got grade this holiday response. But as long as you did it, you followed the instructions, it should be a walk in the park. So these three assignments will be graded and put in before January 4th. So again, I know I sound redundant, but if you don't know, send me an email. I know right now Power School's down, but come Monday, if you can't get access to Power School, send me an email. I don't want you to be in the dark about this. There's no reason to have a bad grade when you've got this great opportunity here to make up work. So send me an email if nothing else. I'm going to do something shocking now. I haven't done this at all this year. I'm going to turn the camera around. You can see me. Every time I post a video, I always, I don't want to look at myself. I know you don't want to look at me, so I never post videos of me in here. This is I'm in my basement right now. This is our beautiful tree that stays up year round. It's very 70s looking, but we love it because it stays up year round. I don't know if you can see the treetop. There's the treetop. It's kind of blurry in the camera, but it's ratchet awesome, and we love it. And then behind me, let's see if you talking to you that there's Santa and an elf on a seesaw, and we leave this up year round in the basement because we're either really pathetic like that or we're really awesome like that. I'm gonna go with really awesome. Um, Real quick, I want to tell you Merry Christmas. I know it's been a dumpster fire of a year. Go back to February of 2020. You could go to McDonald's. You could go to basketball games. You could go to school. You could play outside on the playground, and all that changed, in March. And it's been a weird year. I know that. Everybody's been struggling with this. I know parents have been struggling, teachers have been struggling, students have been struggling. It's been a dumpster fire of a year. So, thank you for being part of me, part of this journey with me, the whole time. It's just been a weird year. I've been worried that you guys haven't been getting the Mr. Bean experience, but we're making the best of it. We're going to keep on keeping on in January. Hopefully, January 5th, we'll all be back at school. We'll all be healthy. Please continue to wear masks. Socially distance yourself. Wash your hands. Wash your hands should never, ever go off style. Ever. Always wash your hands. It should take a pandemic for you to realize that. Wash your hands. You go to the bathroom, wash your hands. Touch up nasty, wash your hands. But wash your hands, wear that mask, socially distance yourself so we can come back to school and this vaccine's coming out. Get that vaccine so we can all be healthy, and hopefully this COVID nightmare can soon be over with, or the process can start of it, come to an end. I miss you guys. I hope that y'all have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, a Happy New Beard. Maybe you can grow a beard over break and you can have a Happy New Beard. Send me an email if you need anything. If you have questions about your grades, send me an email. Check Power School tomorrow. Power School's down right now on a Sunday. Check it tomorrow. And please, if you have a question, send me an email and we can figure something out. And I will talk to you guys later. Love y'all. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And bye.